Betty, so I have a special guest. I have here my girlfriend.
Wow.
So we have cookies from Mama Cookies. It's a famous cookie-ish store in Bali. So let's try them out. I said one of each flavor. Why did it... Bakit parang... Actually, I'm not sure of the flavors anymore. But we have here, this is the classic, of course. This is the red velvet. What's this? Double chocolate. Yeah, that's matcha. This is the... I think my s'mores pa. This is s'mores.
This is
That
the
is raspberry tofu.
So in total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 cookies.
Okay, let's try the classic
Wait,
one.
wait, can I take a picture?
Okay. Okay, I want to try the raspberry first because I feel like that's the most unique. And by the way, this is... Everything here is 300,000 for cookies. Charot lang. That's like...
200,000 pesos?
That's like, magkano ba? I don't know.
I'll start with the classic.
Okay. I think this is 1K. Lahat ng to for,
10 cookies, 1K?
yeah. Go. Ako din lagi ako. I feel like classic is the best, so. Is that classic? There's walnuts. I know.
I don't like nuts.
I know.
Pero hindi siya pansin na.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's try the raspberry tofu.
Tofu?
Toffee. Toffee. Can you break it? Can you show them and break it?
Is that how you do it? Is that how you do your mukbangs?
Yeah, actually.
Eh, did I do it right?
That's white chocolate. I think that's good. I think this will be my favorite.
Mm-hmm.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. That's good.
Zesty.
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
The aftertaste is better. It like hits you hard and then hit you hard. Cookie connoisseur. Okay, that's good. I think this is Biscoff. Wait, let's try
I don't like
something.
Biscoff.
Really?
I don't eat Biscoff.
Okay.
Never tried Biscoff actually.
I think this is s'mores. Or is this s'mores? I'm actually
Should
not
it smart
sure.
be brown?
No, they have
I
two.
like brown.
They have two. That's like,
This is Biscoff.
that's Biscoff.
So what's this?
I'm not sure.
White?
Let's just try the red velvet.
This is red velvet.
Yeah. Oh, wait, show
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay, I got too excited too. Go.
Take 2. Pretend that this is the first time I'm breaking it in half. Hey.
Okay, this looks good. I can't wait to try the crumble together.
You know, Danica made me try red velvet cookies.
The Petite Bakery one.
Yeah, because I don't eat red velvet. I don't like red velvet as well.
You don't understand it,
I
right?
don't understand it.
It's just chocolate.
So, I have a thing where I don't eat something I don't understand. Like, for example, halo-halo, I don't understand it. And temperado, I don't understand that as well. I don't understand rice with chocolates. Or with chocolate.
But basically your rice, that's a
It's a
dessert.
meal with dessert, so I don't understand it, so I don't
It's
eat
sticky
it.
rice kasi it's like a dessert rice.
Oh, so it's not normal rice?
No, it's not.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So are you willing to try that now?
It's nice. This is good.
That's good.
Okay.
I still like this one better.
Yeah, this is by far the best. Put you there.
Yeah, okay, that's number 1. This can pass
is
up as
number 2.
2. This one, I think that's like 5 or something. Okay, let's try this.
What's that one?
I'm not sure. It's double chocolate, I think. I'm not sure. I said 1 of each, but 2 of the classic. I think this is s'mores. Because it has marshmallow.
I like this one.
I like it too. Oh, it's good.
It kind of reminds me of the crumble cookie that you gave me. The black one.
This is good. I didn't expect it like this. I think this can go number 2 for me. Not sure.
Can I have 2 number 2s?
I guess. Can you try the Biscoff one?
I don't love Biscoff.
Why don't you like Biscoff?
I don't get it.
Wait, let's try the matcha. I'm excited for the
I
matcha.
don't like banana casual.
My god! Okay, let's try the double chocolate. I think you're gonna like that. What
I think it's triple. Okay, chocolate, white, and then
another one?
this one's big. This one is pregnant. Eh.
Are those walnuts?
Ooh. Oh yeah.
So you don't like it then?
I don't want.
My god, just try.
I'm sorry. I think nahalata naman ng mga tao.
You're picky.
I don't consider myself as a picky eater. I don't see myself as a picky eater. I think I just have a preference.
But that's being picky.
Yeah.
That's like the definition of being picky.
Am I picky if I only eat the food that I
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah.
Right.
Parang pinasocial na version ng picky eater.
So you're a picky eater? No, I'm not. I just eat food that I understand, and I don't eat food that I don't understand.
See?
So you are picky. Fine. Nakuha ko ng
This is
walnut.
matcha. But there's also cheese inside. Cream cheese. Sakto lang.
Email try. Email try. Wait, no. It's too big. Nai-intimidate ako.
Sakto lang. Imagine if you like it. No.
I mean,
It's okay.
it's okay. I was expecting it.
Okay. Last is Biscoff. But I think this is something better. Let's see this.
There's 2.
Oh, this is Nutella bar.
I won!
You know you got this water, but you didn't drink water.
I love Nutella. I love Nutella.
Nutella is basic for me. Like it's always been a staple though.
See my face?
Yeah.
What do you mean Nutella's basic?
I hope someone comments that they remind us of Kylie and Staffy.
I don't think someone will comment that. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. No, I don't think so, babe. And that's coming from a Kylie fan.
Someone will.
I wish.
Someone will. Okay, I want to try the Biscoff. This is the last.
What's this one?
I think ate double. I know. I won't call baka na double.
Oh
yun.
no.
But that doesn't have walnuts. I think that's the double one.
This is the triple, this is the double.
This is Biscoff. I'll try the Biscoff.
Wala na oras.
This is the number 1 for me.
No, number 1, 2, and 2. This is my first mukbang with Bea Boras.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you for inviting me. Actually, she didn't invite
She
me.
was like, "Can I mukbang with you?" I'm like,
Can I
Sure.
join? I invited myself. Thanks, Blythe, for the invite.
Let me try this.
I really like this.
This is better.
Bye.
Bye.